Next, we'll play a little bit with the Analog Discovery 2, a Digilent National Instruments company. Great. National Instruments is a well-known company. Comes with the analyzer, a USB connector, some header pins, and what is this? Not sure what that is. And some connector wires for the Digilent. Okay. Not sure if it comes with an instruction manual or if I have to go online to find it. If I just have to know how to do it. Need help getting started. analogdiscovery.com. These are all of the things it can do. Dual channel oscilloscope, dual channel waveform generator, network analyzer, spectrum analyzer, voltmeter, power supply, logic and bus analyzer, pattern generator, discrete IOs, trigger in and out, and headphone speaker jack. Powered by Waveforms 2015. Software. We better go get some. Okay, here we go. This is the Digilent. Man, they do that just on purpose. The place where I purchased the Analog Discovery 2. It was $279, just so you know, and there are 1,501 currently in stock, so you can still get it. The next 1,501 of you who watch this video and choose to purchase it. You could also get a Pro bundle, which I didn't notice, and make a Discovery 2 make a bundle, which I didn't notice. So it's okay. This will be plenty to get started with, and maybe we'll end up getting a second one if we have enough people to do this. Okay. Then there's the waveforms software. So anyway, this is the waveforms download site, multi-platform engineering suite. So we'll just go get that software now and get that installed. And then there's a fair amount of reading that I have to do. 36 minutes. I need to go where I can find a faster connection. And I might have to catch up with you on this later. So let's pause this because this is just going to be too long. And then here is a little bit of information about it and how to use the waveforms tool set, which I'm currently downloading. Okay, there you go. This is all very interesting to me. So if we go back to the Try Me and we try the motor, we get an error. It says, please use port A, listen to sound. But we are using port A. So we just run a little program and download it. So let's download the program again. And it does work, right? So that's all we needed to know, is that it actually worked. So now we're going to go work on the hack device thingy.
Got something.
So now this is going to connect to here.
You don't need to download the program again. You can just
run it.
Right.
And this is connected here, and this, we're going to connect the white and the black to the scope, and then we're going to run the program to see what happens. There we go. So the scope wires are the 1 and 2. So that's what we're going to connect these instead of these yellow ones, right?
Yes, and there's one more thing you need to be aware of. Like that.
Yeah, so we had the waveform being generated and sensed by the
Yeah,
scope.
let's disconnect
Yeah,
that.
the header.
There's no danger of
Anything goofy. So then we have now, what we've done is taken this black wire and connected it to the scope 1, the white wire and connected it to the scope 2, and then we have connected the ground to the red wire. So we're tapping the black, red, and the ground, and then now we're going to see what we get. Okay, so we adjusted the scale, the range, so that instead of 500 millivolts, it's 5 volts per division. And so we have a wider range to work with because it's 9 volts of battery. We're going to run it, which is 1 rotation to see what happens. Aw, I forgot to say run. Say single. It's armed. Go. No? What happened? Okay, let's run. So you could see the decrease as it slows down too. See, as the motor slows down after the rotation.
Okay, but
Range?
did you click on single?
No, I have it.
Okay, click on single and see what happens.
So it says armed, and then I do this, but it doesn't pick it up.
Strange.
And if I say run,
It is an auto.
it goes.
Oh, because you clicked on the... Oh, I see. Single is just the mode that you still have to click run. Okay.
It maybe if I did them both exactly at the same time. Like, I was click. Oh, you clicked that when I clicked this. Okay, on your mark, it said go. There we go. Oh, click this one.
No, don't.
No.
This apparently is a toggle. I mean, this just sets the single mode, which is a little different for me. That's why I didn't catch on. But now that you've set it, you can, each time you want something, you press the run. And
Doing 1 forward, 1 negative. And then download the program. You know, I hope it's the right one now. Waveform generator. Waveforms. Good stuff that. Run. Okay, did we see that? It's only going 0 to 10. Well, I guess it's a little bit below. So we changed the time base to 1 second per division, expanded the screen. Now.
Okay.
So it's a signal. Unplug the USB because we think that it may be interfering with our signaling.
Well, it wasn't interfering in that case. This is just so you can use one of the motor pins as the ground reference.
Okay.
So, let's see, this is channel 1, right? Okay, I'm going to take off the ground here, and I'm going to take off channel 2, And I'm going to connect it like this.
Use the motor pin as the ground.
Okay, now
Oh, okay.
do it again.
Ah.
See, that was the power went
So-
one way and then the other.
Okay. So we have, for that, we have the 2 motor pins, one connected to ground and one connected to measure
one.
channel 1. Okay. And you can see it does a little
Channel 2 is just
Squiggle.
running across. You could turn that off if you wanted to and just see the...
It's all right. So I put it back to channel 1, channel 2, and ground. Let's run that again. And we can see both of the signals.
See, it's the difference between the two that actually drives the motor.
Oh, look at that. Thank you. Thank you for saying that. I'm going to make me one of these because this is a cool little board thingy. I'm going to take these, cut the wires, attach some of these, and then push it into a breadboard, and then on the other side have one coming out, and then take a header pin and connect these into, or maybe just some of these wires, right, and connect it into the
Yeah, you
breadboard.
just plug it into
Yeah.
the breadboard. You don't need to do it.
Yes, I don't have to. I don't have to solder, except for this. And I might not even have to solder because I'm gonna try out this wire glue.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's any good, but we'll see. We'll try a couple
Yeah,
things.
I never heard of that before. I'll have to try it sometime.